Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by converting sec, CSC, cot into reciprocals of cos, sin, tan so you can leverage familiar sine and cosine graphs. First, sketch the unit circle and label 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This gives exact values. Next, draw the sin and cos waveforms across one period. This is your reference. Once done, note where sin or cos equals 0. Those x values are vertical asymptotes for the reciprocal functions, and that's where you start plotting behavior. Now you map asymptotes. Mark vertical lines where the denominator is 0, CSC and cot at sin zeros, sec and cot at cos or tan zeros respectively. These are forbidden x values. Then sample points between asymptotes. Compute reciprocal values at peaks and zeros of sine/cosine so you know curvature direction. Make smooth branches that approach asymptotes and pass through reciprocal extrema. Also, use symmetry. Sec and CSC are even, cot is odd. That immediately defines left-right reflection. Finish by refining each branch. Ensure curves approach vertical asymptotes and match the reciprocals at sample x values, creating peaks or troughs where sin or cos had extrema. Label periods clearly. Sec and CSC repeat every 2 pi, cot repeats every pi, so you can replicate the pattern left and right. Make sure grid and scales are accurate. If graphs look flipped or diverge, recheck sign of reciprocal and sampled values. Often a wrong sign or missed asymptote is the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.